everyone, this is Sybil, your skin fitness expert. Why do I look like a Borg? Well, it's because I want to teach you how to use the Awaken device so that you can drain out all the weird lymphatic while lifting and toning your eyes on a weekly basis. Stay tuned. All right, so let me talk for a second about the Awaken device from TAMA. This is an amazing tool that I don't think nearly enough people are using. It is absolutely incredible. It is a microcurrent device that actually helps you at home keep your skin firm and healthy. It is exercise for your face. It creates elastin fibers. It creates more collagen. It helps lift, firm, heal, and retrain the muscles while draining the lymphatics, which is detoxifying to your skin. No more puffy eyes, no more droopy skin, no more, oh, I don't look pretty and toned anymore. This is taking care of it for you. And I have the professional one that I help people with in my office, but this you take home and you can upkeep the results more often, or you can take it home and get results. You can also use it on your entire body, which keeps you looking firm and fit everywhere. So right now I want to talk to you about different ways you can use it at home, but specifically I want to talk to you about why you want to take it with you and use it right now. So let's talk about the Awaken device and what it does. The Awaken device is a microcurrent device, and it is a device that allows a small amount of electromagnetic current to go into your skin. Our body is made up of electromagnetic current. All right, so we're all made up of electromagnetic current, and our skin feeds on electricity. ATP is something that our skin uses for absolutely everything. When it's talking to each other, it's actually giving each other like different electromagnetic currents. It's like, oh, hey, take this, and then you'll give that current to somebody else, and then it'll know that signal, because we talk about signals all the time. It'll know that signal. Well, that signal is an electromagnetic current. So when your skin is kind of feeling blah, it might be because it doesn't have the right electromagnetic signal. Well, what will happen sometimes is that we don't have enough energy. So we always talk about energy as in like it must be from food sources. Well, there's actually all different kinds of energy in the body. And one of the ways to get energy is with something like this. We can actually create different energy sources with this. And TAMA has actually patented different currents that are the perfect current for your body. They use something called a gate system. And the gate system opens perfectly, gives your cells the exact amount of current that they need to eat and to work, and then stops. So you actually don't feel any kind of discomfort. If you are feeling discomfort, it's because you actually have it too high. And I would say the current's dancing across your skin instead of actually going to where it needs to go. So people are like, oh, I feel it, it must be working. I'm like, oh, no, I need to turn it down. I'm sorry, I'm giving you too much current. So sorry, I apologize. And that is why this device works so well, because you literally get the perfect amount of energy every single treatment. And you can get it absolutely anywhere in the body. And I love it because of that. And there's so many different ways to utilize it. So one of the ways that I want to talk about in this particular video is, really quickly, my favorite way, depuffing and raising up the eyes. All right, so we use something very simple, these little pads. It comes with so many different things in it. It comes with so much toys. It comes with a set of silver gloves so that you can massage somebody with it or yourself. It comes with a bunch of little pads so you can put the pads on you and allow the current to just go into different places of your body. It comes with different little electromagnetic current chargers so that you can just sit around and be like, la 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 la, I'm just hanging out with my little device, letting it do its business, because it has everything already programmed in to do facelifts, to do body relief, to lymphatic drain you, so you're detoxifying and losing water weight. I mean, there's so many things that it does. It's amazing. So this is my favorite one. I like to, when I wake up and I'm like, I've got a puffy eye or I'm going to a special occasion, I literally will just put my pads on like this, put my little electromagnetic, you know, charger things into the little bases, right? And then I'll turn it on. And then I'll put it onto mode 1, which is lymphatic drainage. And once it hits 1, I'll leave it at 3 because 3 is like the magic number for most people. And then I'll sit there for like 15 minutes and just let it drain my eye out. That's it. And then I'll move it to the other side. And then I'll be like, whatever. If I really want to, I could technically get 2 sets of these pads, put one on each side. I have 2 conductive currents. I can do them on each side and drain both sides at the exact same time while I chillax and have both my eyes finished at exactly the same time. And then I don't even have to do one side at a time if I don't want to. But I often like to do one side at a time because often one side's way puffier than the other side. So I like to make sure that I'm like depuffing them at the same rate. So like I'll depuff one side and then make sure the other side's the same depuffed, because it seems crazy, but like I literally have depuffed one side way more than the other side, and then I'll look like kind of like a freak show. So I've learned to kind of do one side at a time to just make sure that they're even Steven. Like that's how well it works. All right, so that's kind of what I talk about when I talk about my like TAMA device and how much I love my Awaken. And I have the full one, like I have the professional one, but I still love the small one because like it's so much smaller and more convenient, and I can take it with me everywhere. All right, so hope you enjoy. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm happy to always supply information on this to people, and I'm making lots of videos on how they work. All right, bye guys.